In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files in Figma. If something important suddenly disappears from your design, don't panic. Figma automatically keeps a running record of your file, and you can roll back to a point in time when everything was still there. Start by opening the main Figma menu. Up in the top left corner of your Figma window, click the Figma icon. This opens the full application menu and gives you access to file-level actions you won't find on the canvas. Next, move your cursor over the File option. You don't need to click yet, just hover to reveal more choices related to your current document. From that expanded list, select Show Version History. This brings up Figma's timeline of saved versions. You'll see a panel with snapshots organized by date and time, often labeled with who made the change and when it happened. Think of it as a time machine for your file. At the top of the Version History panel, click the Filter icon. Filtering is helpful when you're working in a shared file and you want to quickly focus on versions that include your own changes, especially if the timeline is busy. Choose only yours from the filter options. This narrows the list to versions that include your edits, which can make it much easier to pinpoint the moment right before something was deleted. If you're collaborating with others, this step helps cut through the noise so you can locate your work faster. Now, browse the timeline and select the version you want to review. When you click a version, Figma shows a read-only preview of the file at that point in time. Take a moment to scan the canvas and confirm the missing frames, components, or pages are present. You can click through a few nearby timestamps if you need to zero in on the exact moment before the deletion. Once you've found the right snapshot, click the three dots next to that version. This opens a small menu with actions for that specific point in the timeline. Choose Restore this version. Figma will make that snapshot the current state of your file. Importantly, restoring doesn't destroy your later history. It creates a new version that you can always revisit, so you're not locked into a one-way change. You'll need edit permissions on the file to restore, so if you don't see the option, check your access with the file owner. That's it. By using version history, you can confidently bring back deleted work without redoing hours of design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!